Okay, so welcome to day 5, I think it is. Yeah, day 5. Alright, so we're doing the valid palindrome question. So the first thing is first, the question reads, given a string, return true if it's a palindrome, otherwise return false. Palindrome is a string that reads the same forward and backward. It is also case insensitive and ignores all non-alphanumeric characters. Note, alphanumeric characters consist of letters A to Z, capital, A to Z, non-capital, and numbers 0 to 9. So, an example they're given, like, was it a car, was it a castle? It's a palindrome because it's literally the same word backwards, but as you can see, this is ignored. So that's kind of like a little hint to us. And obviously tablet, it's not a palindrome. Only made up of printable ASCII keys. So, in general, what do we know? Palindrome, string that repeats the same forwards and backwards. So ignoring question marks, exclamation marks, anything 0 to 9 digits, and any space characters, because it's a character as well. So we're gonna get the IDE open. So how do we solve it first? So we get a string, and we want to compare the characters. So therefore, the first thing to do is to make a char array. However, char array will only store, like, because it's case insensitive, we say lowercase characters. You can do uppercase as well, but it's just conversion. To be fair, it doesn't really matter. Lowercase characters, and shoulders look kind of big. Nice. Only store lowercase characters, ignoring space, that, and this, like, just in general. So logically we can utilize link. So we can use link, so it's good because it lets us like perform like manipulation, and so for example, we only want to store lowercase characters, so we're going to say something like where like x and such is either like, I think it's letter or digit, store it. And then we can select from that, and then we can convert it to an array. I'll kind of show you guys, but it's really good. Like, if you're using C#, like, and you need to know link, because in my experience, like, the better you get a link, the better the C# developer is. So what do? So we say char array. We say let's say input characters equals, so this will use link, so we do where you want C to be equal to char is lower digit, passing C as a parameter, I think so. Yeah, and nope, and nope. And like, just to make it easy, wise developer always told me, shout out Pablo, to make it like this, so it's kind of easier to read. So do you see? No, I want chart lower. Yeah. So we're gonna get everything digit character, make it lowercase. So this is gonna abstract away from this, that, and then make it a char array so it's queryable. Then so because a palindrome must be the same forwards and backwards, we can create 2 pointers to compare the start and end values, and if they match, then we say continue with the comparisons, otherwise we say it cannot be a palindrome. Do you know what I mean? So what does this mean? So initialize it. So we're gonna say int left pointer is gonna be 0, and int, let's do like this, int right pointer is going to be, yeah, the length of the character array minus 1, so we're never going to get out of index. Right, so then we set the condition, so that's going to be while our left pointer is less than our right pointer. Yeah, we are going to say if, okay, no, if they match, so the position at the left pointer and the right pointer, if they match, then we say we can move the, okay, we'll show you. If it's a match, we can move the left pointer across 1 and the right pointer down 1. So yeah, I'll show you the example, it's kind of easier. Else we just return false, and finally we say true. So let's see, was it a card? That's okay. Let me show you guys. So the characters, as you can see, the string was this. No, it's very bad. Okay, let's do it again. As you can see, string was this, and input characters, there's no question mark at the end, so successfully abstracted it, and there is no space, so successfully abstracted it, and no numbers, never was there anyway, but you know. Left is 0, right is 18, 19 characters, last position 18. You gotta do -1 because computer science start from 0, not 1, 0. Infinite number and that. And then you go do the conditions. So we say, pro tip, use this. Use the immediate terminal. Because, like, say I did this. It's W. So I did that. See? Matches. Yeah. And again, let me show you why it's really powerful. I. See, it matches. Calm. See, so as long as we get a valid palindrome, as long as these two match, even now, we're gonna be fine. If they don't, in serious time false because it can't be a palindrome. So I think that is all we need. See how this goes. We win. Okay guys, I'm gonna see you in day 6.